Okay, I think I am live again. Sorry for the connectivity issues that I have been facing. That's why I need to restart. Okay, I need to restart that formed. A moment, guys. I think there is some kind of problem with my streaming session. That's why it got disconnected again and again. Don't know why it's happening here to me. First of all, let me just fix it. Okay, let me just check it out if I am online or not. Then I am gonna start today's live stream session. I hope you can watch my videos live. Okay, yes, I am live now. I think I am in live. Thank you guys for staying tuned. I got just disconnected for a technical issue, and now I got back again. And I'm sorry for the technical issues that I have been facing recently. Okay, I'm actually extremely sorry about this one. Yes, I can see I am in live. Let me check it in the Gate app that I am in live or not. Then I am gonna start today's main part, which is the MXS game project. Okay, this will be a gaming project, as the names as you can suggest. It will be a gaming project, as you can see here. Okay, of course, stay tuned, guys, because this will be a very informative session for all of you guys who are watching the today's live session. Okay, first of all, let me check in the Gate IO app, in my app, if I am online or not. Okay, because it is very important to check it out if I am online or not, because this is a live session. Okay, yes, it is good. So, guys who are watching the live stream, please let me know in the comment area. Okay, let me just quickly drop a red packet for all of you guys who are watching the today's live session. Okay, then I'm gonna start. I'm gonna start very quickly after just I send you the red packet. Yes, I am done. So, guys, if you can hear my voice very clearly, please let me know in the comment area if you can hear me out or not. Okay, if you can hear me out, then please let me know in the comment area so that I can proceed with my uh, introduction of this project. Okay, in this live session, I mean, there will be three segment. Okay, I have make this. I want to make this video in a three segment, because in my first segment I am going to discuss about the project, what is this project all about, how the project works, and basically this is the project introduction. And in my second section I am going to talk about how you can join in this project startup, and then I'm going to I'm going to finish it with all the necessary details needed for this one. Okay, so guys, stay tuned with me for more interesting live session to come. Okay, if you can hear my voice, please let me know in the comment area. Okay, if you can hear me or not, it is very important for me to check it out. Okay, and I'm sorry for the slight disturbance that I got. So today we're going to talk about the MXS Games startup free offering project. So this project is all about the startup offering. Okay, so I hope you have already heard about the startup and how you can get join in this project. Of course, I'm going to show it to you very clearly so that you don't miss out any part of it. Okay, let me just quickly start off with the introduction of this project. Okay, then I am gonna proceed as I am planning to do. So first of all, the project name is MXS Games, and the token name is XSEED. Okay, XSSEED, XSEED. This is the token name, and the introduction of this project is also a very fascinating for me, because this is a gaming project, and as I can see here, gaming layer 0 with a L1 blockchain and large library of 30 plus games under development, mobile, telegram, browser, and PC generate revenues through and advertisements and microtransactions that are shared with players token utility includes L1 gas fees and purchase currency for all game related NFTs. Players can play players can play any game, use this same digital asset in multiple games and be rewarded daily for the activities. Web 2.5 MXS cloud infrastructure enable access to 3 billion players in traditional P. I think that's the main short introduction of this project. Okay, let me just out. If not, then I proceed with my next segment of the today's live session. Okay, I hope you can clearly hear my voice. Okay. So I welcome every new guys who are watching this video. Okay, this video will be a very informative video for all of you guys who are watching this, and of course, all for all the new user who didn't join this in the startup project will also be very helpful and good video for all of you guys. So guys, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to let me know in the comment section. Okay. So here am I? Yes, I was in the introduction part. Okay, let me just go to the announcement. There are already have been. Okay, let me just go in the project link. Then I can give you a good information about this project. I think this is the link that I have. Okay, you can also search in the announcement so that you can get the all the necessary details about this. Okay, so this today's project is all about the Gate.io initial free offering MXS Games XSEED. Okay, so this is the announcement, so that I have read it out for you guys, and of course this is the main part is the introduction of this project. Okay, this project is in a gaming based project. Okay, and let me check out the CEO. The CEO and the founder is the Shipon Chaudhary, CEO MSc in information. Yes, he got some good qualification here and have already been uh, marked here. Okay, you can check it out very clear. And of course, I welcome every new user. Sumirul Nasim, thank you for joining the live stream. And Gate user, thank you for joining the live stream. Okay. Good morning to everyone. Thank you. Thank you for joining the today's live session, guys. I really appreciate that you all guys have joined the today's live session. Today's live session will be all about an project MXS game. The ticker is XSEED. Okay. This is the ticker of this token, and we are going to talk about today Gate.io startup initial free offering MXS Games. Okay, হৃদয় 0007, হাই স্যার, কেমন আছেন? আলহামদুলিল্লাহ, আমি ভালো আছি। আপনি কেমন আছেন? জানাতে ভুলবেন না কমেন্ট সেকশনে। হ্যাঁ, yes, now I am here. As I have already told the introduction part of this XSEED game. Okay, okay, okay. হৃদয় 0007, thank you for your comment. Please stay tuned with me. Okay, please stay tuned with me. Let me just proceed. Okay, so the Shipon Chaudhary is the founder and the CEO of the MX's Game XSEED project. Okay, and here it says the 25 plus technology and management experience. Wow, he had some great expertise here. I can see here, and delivered multiple projects for leading fintech companies. Wow, that's some great expertise. And he is also a Unreal Engine games developer. Wow, that's some nice expertise you have. Great one. The CEO has some great expertise here. Okay. Okay. So now let me proceed with the startup supply. The supply is 100,000 and the triple zero amount of XSEED token, and you can just purchase this with a 0 USDT, and the unlock rule is 100% unlock. So you don't need to worry about the uh, unlock mechanism, because it's already been mentioned here that it will be 100% unlock and after the startup ends. Okay, and of course, who are joining today's live stream session, please don't forget to like, comment, and follow in the live session. Okay. And thank you, Rido 0007, for your comment. I really appreciate the support. Okay, let me just proceed with the highlights and a vision of this project. I hope you can hear me very loud and clear. Okay. Yes, so the key features of the MXS games include, okay, let me just read it out for you guys so that you can easily understand about it. The highlights and the visions, the key features of the MX's game include access to players. Let me just zoom it out for you. Okay. This is the para that I have been reading. Access to players' games will be accessible from major Web 2 platforms such as Google and Apple, opening the door to billions of dollars, billions of players to participate. Okay. And the second option part is that business module. How this business module works, they have already got a brief and short description about it. Okay, it says that integrated with Google and Unity advertisement engines, which can offer sustainable revenue to the to power the play to earn ecosystem. The short form is echo here. Okay, and there is the revenue model that had been uh, clearly describing it here. Okay, I'm sorry for the sudden. Okay, it says that free to play games generate sustainable revenue from advertising, microtransactions, and NFTs. Wow, great way of generating some revenue, guys. There's some nice ways. Let me check out the number 4 section here. It says that single token immense XSEED token utility, which will be used as a gas fees and purchase currencies for the game NFTs and merchandise. Okay, I am gonna talk about the token utility at my middle section of the today's live session video. Okay, I hope you will stay tuned with me for all the interesting part of the main video to come. Okay, so stay tuned with me, guys. Yes, number 5. It says true interoperability. It says games have shared a login and XP so players can move seamlessly between games and Echo NFTs will be interoperable. Wow, that's some great info about this project. You can also check it out clearly. Okay, if you want, I can just share the link with you. Let me just share the project link with you in the comment area. Okay, so that you don't miss out to join this amazing startup offering project. I have already sent you the link if you need it, okay? Or you can just quickly access it from the website or the Gate.io app. It is very simple and easy. So where am I? Yes, I was in the number 6 part, okay? Here it says that Web 2.5, that's a new concept. Okay, Web 2.5. I have heard of Web 2 and I have also heard of Web 3. This is the in between of Web 3 and Web 2. Okay, so let's see what it says here. Seamless onboarding via social media, invisible Web3, which automatically creates gaming wallet, enabling Web2 players. 99% of gamers to play generate revenue. Okay, হৃদয় 0007 অনেক সুন্দর ভয়েস আপনার thank you হৃদয় 0007 for your comment. Okay, thank you buddy. Just stay tuned and get some amazing info about this startup offering project. Okay, and of course don't forget to join in this startup free offering project. Okay, this is a free to join for every one of you. I'm gonna to show it to you how you can join the startup project in my later segment of the today's live session. Okay, so guys, just stay tuned. I hope you got the number 6th term that had been mentioned here. Okay, now let me proceed with the number 7 term. What it says here, okay? Here it says superior tech, developing technology that injects, okay, that injects what it tells, okay, adverts and digital assets directly into games, opening a lot of future B2B opportunities. Wow. Nice point here. The number 8 point says the quality of games that matches the of traditional gaming. Okay, that's very interesting. Now let me check out the token economics shortly. Okay, and of course if you are new to the channel, don't forget to let me know in the comment area, and of course do follow the live stream for more of this amazing videos to come. Okay, and of course, if you have any question regarding this project, of course you can let me know at the later segment of my today's live session. Okay, first of all, let me just complete the introduction part of this MX's game XSEED token startup free offering. Okay, so you don't miss out any good update about it. So where am I? Yes, I was in the token economics. What is the token economics? It is the overall history. Okay, a single token exceed to power the layer blockchain. All games related to NFTs and merchandise. MXS Games have over 30 plus games in advanced stages of dev, which will provide extremely high utility over time. Wow. Some of the XC tokens utilities are there are some utilities of the token XSEED, and that's some good point. Let me just read it out for you guys. Okay, what the utilities of these tokens are. The first utility of the XC token is the payment currency for the game and NFT transactions, and the second utility is the pay gas fees. Okay, let me just mark it one by one. Pay gas fees for all transaction on XSEED chain. That's a good and interesting utility I can find here. Okay, now the third utility is the payment currency for microtransaction and merchandise. So that's some three awesome and good utilities that have the exit tokens have. Okay, so now let me proceed with the technical overview that mentioned here. Okay, MXS Games owns. Okay, you can see it here. MXS Games owns the entire technology stack, including the layer one chain, game launchers, advertisement solutions, NFT marketplace, and the game themselves. The entire echo will be running on the MXS cloud service, enabling games to run on multiple platforms, including mobile, PC, Telegram, and of course the web browser. Wow, that's some great overview here. I'm glad to let you know about it. And of course, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to let me know in the comment area, okay? This is a very interesting and informative session for all of you guys who are watching today's live session. Now, let me quickly check it out the token allocation part, okay? This is the main part, okay? Let me check. The node rewards will be like 35% and the TGE unlock 0%, and of course the vesting is like no cliff and daily rewards for 10 years. That's some clear cut description here. Okay, and of course if you are new to the channel, don't forget to drop your UID. Okay, let me just pin the comment section so that you know about it. Let me just proceed. Yes, now it is good. Let me just pin the comment so that you don't miss out the important updates about it. Okay, and of course the VIP 1 giveaway for all of you guys who are watching the live session with mine live session. Okay, yes, and now let me check it out the next section. Ecosystem. Eco means the ecosystem. Ecosystem reserves 25% of the token, and the TGE unlock is 0%, and of course the vesting is no cliff, and it is in the 72 million linear. Okay, that's some clear cut description here, it marked. And the team will for team the allocation will be like 12%, and the unlock TGE unlock is 0%, and of course the 12 million lock, and of course the for 24 million linear. It's not month. Okay, I'm sorry for the wrong ways of expressing it. This is 12-month log and 24-month linear vesting. Okay, that's the thing here. And for the advisors, the shares are like 3%, as I marked here. For the advisors, there will be allocated 3% of the tokens, and is the same process. The TGE unlock will be 0%, 6-month lock, and the 24-month linear vesting. Okay, now let me go in the next section, the liquidity. For liquidity purposes, the 5% of the token will be allocated to liquidity and on demand based on listings. Okay, of course this is a very good term that they had already mentioned here. And now let me proceed with the next segment. Okay, here it says the airdrop. Okay, for the airdrop purposes 1% of the whole token supply will be used. Okay, and the TGE unlock is 0%, 1 month lock, and the 12-month of linear vesting. Okay, now let me check out the seed round. Seed round is for seed 5% is token is allocated, and of course the 2% TGE, that's very important. And here it says 2 month lock and the 18-month of linear vesting. You can check it out here. And for the strategic development, I think the 8% of the token allocated and the 7% will be at the TGE token generation, and the 1 month long lock and other 8-month linear vesting. Okay, now let me check out the private and public rounds. Okay, for the private this private it is 2% marked by here in the token allocation, and the 4% will be a token generation TGE, and 1 month lock and the 12-month linear vesting. Okay, that's some clear cut description that they have been already provided here. And of course for the public offering, I think that it is the 4% of the token whole token allocation, and the unlock rule is the 4% TGE, of course 1 month lock, and the regular 12-month linear vesting. Okay, I hope you got my point here. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to let me know in the comment area, uh, what do you think about this project MXS Games, and the ticker is XSEED. Okay, I have already give you a short introduction about this project. Now let me delve into the overall project structure. Okay, what is this project is all about? Okay, let me just check it out. And if you check it out the announcement page, you can also get the necessary details for you to get all the rules of this startup free offering MXS Games, and the ticker is XSEED, and it will be listed very soon. Okay, let me just check it out all the details that you need to keep that in mind when joining in this project. Okay, of course it will be a very interesting one. And there it says Get.io has launched the startup free airdrop program in order to reward users free airdrops for potential blockchain projects that will be launched in the startup from time to time, and where users can get a variety of tokens via airdrop benefits, and users participation funds will not be deducted for the startup of MXS Games XSEED free airdrop offering. Okay, so that's the main thing here. It will cost you nothing to join here. Okay, it is free to join, and don't forget here it clearly says free of charge. Okay, the free of charge, so don't miss this chance to join in this awesome project and get some good amount of free offering from the startup. Okay, and of course you can just click here, and this page this link will be redirected to the startup offering page of the MX's game. Okay, that I have already told you about. Now let me proceed with my next segment of the today's informative part and the main part. Okay, what this project is all about, how this project works, what's the utility of this XSEED token. I am gonna tell you about all the necessary details that you need to know before joining this startup project. Okay, and of course I am gonna show it to you how you're gonna join in this startup free offering of the MXS seed XSEED. The ticker is XSEED. Okay, here it says in the number 2 section and how to participate. Okay, there is also a very clear description about it. I am gonna talk about it later segment of my today's live session. First of all, let me finish the project introduction and what's this project all about, how this project works, and what's the utility of this XSEED token are. Okay, I'm gonna discuss about it here. Okay, of course if you have any question after I have described you about this project, you can let me know after I have completed the introduction part of this project. In the meantime, let me just drop another one here. Mhm. And if you are watching my live session, don't forget to like, comment, and do follow the live session. Okay, okay. And thank you for all of your fans that dropping the UID. Thank you guys for dropping your UIDs. And now let me just proceed with the overall review of this project. Okay, and it says the MXS Games exceed startup participation rules. So there are some rules that you need to keep that in mind when you want to join in this project. Okay, so this is a very necessary term that you need to keep your focus on. Okay, I hope you got my idea. Okay, now let me proceed, and you can check it out. The duration is very short. If you can check it out, that it had been already started like yesterday, okay, 6 a.m. of October 28th 2024, and it will be ended like 6 a.m. October 13th 30th of 2024. And of course you need to keep that in mind that it will end it by tomorrow, okay, and of course it will be in the 6 a.m. and the UTC time zone. You need to keep that in mind that the time zone will be in the UTC time zone. So if you want to join in this project, then just hurry up and join in this project, okay, because this is a very interesting project to join in. So where am I? Yes, I was talking about the duration. So it clearly says here that it will be ended by tomorrow 6 a.m. Uh, and of course it is in the UTC time zone. You need to keep check that in mind. Of course, that is very also very important for you to check it out. So here you can see that the duration have been already been mentioned clearly here, and of course orders placed by qualified users within the subscription period will be treated equally. Okay, so you need to place your order at the period of this duration that have been marked here. Okay, let me just highlight it for you. This is the duration. It means that it will be ended by tomorrow 6 a.m. in the UTC time zone. Okay, you need to keep check in mind that the time zone is in the UTC time zone. Okay, so I hope you will be careful about it. So don't miss it out. If you are watching the today's video of mine about explaining the startup project MXS game XSEED startup free offering, then you should just join in and jump in this project and join in. Okay, of course I'm going to show it to you how you can join in this project very easily after my later segment of this live session. Okay, so guys, stay tuned with me. Let me just check out if there are any comments. Okay, so here, as I can see here, the trading starts time. Here it also mentioned all the necessary details about when the startup will be ended and when the trading will begin. So this is all very important information that you should check it out, okay, before joining in. I hope you got it. So guys, stay tuned with me because there will be some more interesting uh, information about this project, and regarding all the project necessary info, I'm gonna share it with you guys. So the trading starts at exactly 10 a.m. October 30th, 2024, and of course in the UTC time zone. And you can check it out. The trading pair is XSEED USDT. Okay, the trading pair will be in the XSEED USDT pair. And of course there is a fundraising goal that has been like $70,000 USDT, and the startup supply is like let me just check it out, 100 000 and 000 XSEED tokens. That is the total XSEED token supply. Okay. Okay, and of course, those who are watching the today's live stream, don't forget to drop your UID. And if you want to get the VIP plus one upgrade, just check out my pin post at my profile section. Okay, so that you can get all the details about it. Ridoy 0007, you can just check it out. My profile section, pin post. Okay, so get for you to get all the details about this, because I am talking about this one. So let me get back to it. The unlocking rule is 100%, as I have already told you about it. So let me just proceed with the participation requirements. What is required here to participate you in this startup free offering? Okay. First of all, you need to complete KYC 2 verification, and the value of spot asset balance held is not less than 10 US dollars. Okay, so that's the participation requirements. And of course, if you are new to the channel and watching the live session, please like and comment, and of course share this stream with your friends so that they can also get this information, informative live session. Okay, thank you for your comment, everyone. Thank you. Okay, now let me proceed with the next thing. What I need to show it to you guys. Okay, now here is the number one, the startup participation rules. The number one mentioned here, that the participation startup participation rules. Okay, here it's clearly mentioned here. I'm going to also discuss about the rules. First of all, let me just complete the project introduction part, then I am going to jump into the startup participation rules and what are all the new rules that have been introduced by the Gate.io. Okay, so let me just skip this part for now on. I'm going to introduce the startup part after I have complete the introduction of this project. Okay, so the project, there is also project information about this. You can also check it out there. The information below is provided by the MXS Game XSEED team. Please follow the MXSEED website for more information. Okay, if you want to get the more information about this project, you can just check it out their website. Okay, and I have already told you about this one, this introduction, small and brief introduction about it. And of course, okay, I'm gonna mainly discuss about this project in my upcoming session. Okay, there are five or four new terms that I need to check it out. It mentioned that gaming L1 with a library of 30 plus games under development, and of course generating revenue from advertiser and microtransactions. That is, I have already read it out for you guys. And of course, single high utility token XSEED for all games. That's some overpowered token here. Okay, nice one. And here, MXS Cloud L0 connects Web3 and Web2 platforms. That's a very important term in the this project. Okay, very important term. So you need to check it out this project, and of course join in this project and get some awesome free startup free offerings. Okay, first of all, let me just complete all the details about the project. What's need to be known. Okay, let me check out the more details part. This is also very important. After I have completed the introducing the project, then I am going to jump into the rules of the startup rules. What needs to be taken care of before joining. Okay, here is it says that token name is MXS Games and token symbol is XSEED. Here it is. I have already highlighted for you guys. I hope you got it. So this is the token details, and of course the max supply is like 50 000 000 and the triple zero. I hope you got it. And of course, if you want to check it out, I'm going to just share this link with you. If you want to check it out, this announcement link, you can just let me know in the comment area so that I can provide you with the announcement link. Okay, and just let me proceed with the next thing. What is this all about? Token type is avalanche. Okay, so this project, this gaming blockchain based project is based on the avalanche. And the token, there is also mentioned the token contract address. I am going to check it out, the token contract address for all the details. Let me just check it out. Okay, you can find this link in the gate announcement page, and of course if you want, I can just share this link with you in the comment area. You just need to comment it out and I am going to check it out what's needed for it. Okay, so yes, now let me proceed with the next segment. If you want to get more details about this project, you just need to click the token contract address that had been provided as a link here, and you will be redirected to this page. This is the snowtrace.io website, and this is for the Avalanche ecosystems explorer. Okay, where you can find all the details of the blockchain, and of course about the contract address, how when this contract address is created, of course. Let me just check it out, the details. It says the contact address is here. You can check it out, the contact address, and of course there is a contact overview here. It says MXS Games token, and soon it will be started, and you can check it out all the transactions that happened here, and of course you can check out all the token information that had been provided by the MXS Games teams in the Snowtrace website. Okay, you can check it out all the transactions that happened with this contract address. Okay, you can check it out all the details you necessary for you to need it. Okay, so now let me just proceed with the next thing, the token distribution and unlocked rules. I have already provided you with the token distribution and unlocked rules. Okay, I have already told you about it in this page. Okay, in this segment of it is the first segment of my today's live video section. So I have already told you about the token allocation. Okay, this token allocation is the same as all the token distribution and unlocked rules. So I have already discussed about this token distribution and unlocked rules in my previous section segment of this today's video. Okay, so now let me proceed with the next segment. Let me check it out their website. Okay, what's their website is all about. Let me just check it out. What's their website says. After you have clicked this one website, you will be redirected to the MXS game website. Let me check it out. It's loading. I think there is some internet connectivity issues, or that's why the website keeps loading and loading. I'm gonna wait a bit. Let's see. Let's just let this website complete its loading. Then I am gonna check it out. Okay, because it's taking a long time for loading. Okay, Fatima Net. Thank you for your comment. I hope you got my problems. Okay, okay. Now let me proceed with the white paper. Okay, what is this white paper is all about? The white paper is all about all the details necessary for you to check it out before you make any investment in this project or not. Of course, it is your own discretion. I will not give any advice about it, of course. Let me just check it out. Oh, this website is keeps loading and loading, guys. I don't think that this can go on long. Okay, I hope you can check it out their website if you want to. Okay, now let me check it out their sorry, let me check out their white paper. Okay, what is this white paper is all about? Okay, let's see. MXS Games. It says MXS Games, and it says the Web 2, Web 2.5 games studio with a large library of games, L1 blockchain managed by Ava Labs, and a sustainable ecosystem powered by in-game ads, access to billions of players by Google and Apple devices. Okay, so here it mentioned that it had been already been available in the Play Store, Google Play Store, and of course for the Apple devices. Okay, it had been already been available, made available. So here, what is the next segment is TLDR. What is this TLDR? You can just go to this white paper link and check it out. All the necessary details you need to learn about this one. Okay, there is a huge um, and long description about this project roadmap model, many things to know. Okay, I'm just gonna introduce you about this project and then jump into the another segment of my today's live session. Okay. Okay, where was I? Yes, I was in the starting, as you can see here, making game fair for players. Let me just zoom it out a bit. Okay, so that you can also see it very clearly. Here it says making gaming fair for players. We are an evolution from the current generation of Web3 games studios after a complete fresh perspective for mass adoption. Our players can play any game, use the same digital asset in multiple games, and be rewarded daily for the activities. One click onboarding into 30 plus studio games, PC slash mobile, invisible Web3, and share up to 60% of the ad revenue with players. Single utility token XSEED. This is the ticker of this today's project token and will power the entire ecosystem, including gas fees and the purchase currency for NFTs, nodes, and merchandise. That's some interesting TLDR that we have here. Okay, thank you for your comment. Okay, buddy. Okay, just stay tuned for some more interesting details to come about this project. Okay. Meta XSEED Games is a layer 1 blockchain managed by Ava Labs and gaming studio with a large library of mobile, web, and PC games that will use blockchain, NFTs, and advertising and AI unleash the next generation of sustainable play and earn games. We want to combine the best web 2 fun games, free to play ad driven model, and web 3 digital ownership, interoperability, transparency. That's some interesting information that I just saw here. Okay, I hope you guys also get this information about it. Okay, now let me proceed to the next next one. Using advertisement as a primary revenue source has major advantages. Okay, you can also check it out, and by clicking the read more button here, of course, you can check it out their white paper. And of course, if you want to check it out their white paper, you can just comment down. Of course, you can check it out the announcement link of this project and get all the necessary details for it. Okay, so let me just proceed with my uh, informative session here. Okay, number one, it says keep all games free, attracting a large player base. And the number two says provide a reliable and consistent revenue system that can be used to reward players without need to dilute the token supply. That's some good information here. Okay, you can also check it out by clicking here, of course. And they have also mentioned that we have published a range of games varies from genres and that are currently being tested on Steam, Google Play, and our own Web3 games launcher MetaXSeed Play. Okay, taking inspiration from the projects such as Gala Games and Immutable X, our objective is to significantly increase token utility, enhance community engagement, and create a balanced gamified economy. Okay, that's some good amount of information that we get from this project. Okay, Fatina, where is my reward? I think you earn 1,000 BTC. That's some good comment, buddy. Thank you for your humorous comment. Really interesting. I hope you will like and comment. Of course, share the live stream. Thank you for your engaging in the live session. Now let me just proceed with the XSEED token details and all the utilities that you need to check it out before you want to take any step. Okay, the primary ecosystem token will be XSEED, which will have a limited supply of 50 billion to match other comparable studios. All games will drive demand for XSEED. Token holders will have unprecedented utility as they will benefit from being a currency of the game, NFTs, in-game advertisement, governance, merchandising, and node infrastructure. That's some good and huge amount of information that we get from the white paper. Okay, so guys, what do you think about this project? Don't forget to let me know in the comment section. Okay, I'm gonna check it out quickly for all of you guys who are watching the today's live session. Okay. The XSEED token utilities are here that mentioned here. I am gonna read it out for all of you guys so that you can also know about the XSEED token utilities. Okay, the first utility will be the gas fees for the layer 1 blockchain. That's a good utility that the XSEED token has. The token utility within our vast library of games, purchase currency for ecosystem NFTs and node licenses, purchase currency for in-game advertisement injection, purchase currency for ecosystem merchandise, and of course additional gamify yield via staking, farming, and lending. And of course the DAO governance, that is the important utility of this token. So this token has the voting rights, I think. Yes, that's some good information that provided by the MXS team. Okay, great. And there are also sectors comparables. You can check it out here one by one. Here it says we own the entire tech stack, which includes the game, blockchain, launcher, marketplace, and monetization features that will enable value. This will enable value extraction at each level and complete control of player engagement, diversified risk, and ensure we are not dependent on third parties for future success. Our low valuation and high functionalities compare very positively with our primary competitors. One of the main competitors would be Gala Games, which reached a market cap of $22 billion in 2021. The potential Meta XSEED Games is clear and it has the capability to be a major player in the Web3 industry. Wow, They have some great tokenomics and information that had they had already provided in the white paper. Of course, you can check it out by the clicking the announcement link that had been already been provided by the team of the MXS labs. I mean the MXS team, of course. So I hope you got all the utilities of this token, and you can also check it out the more further details of this token. No problem. Of course, there are token utility that had been clearly marked here. Okay, I like all this token utility, extensive native token demand based on unparalleled utility. Wow, nice one here. And of course, there are some list play games, all Web3 games under one umbrella. Wow, that's they had some nice amount of introduction part they have already described here. And there are all the function that you need to check it out before you join in this project. Okay, if of course if you have time, you can check it out all the token utilities, of course all the necessary things about this token. Okay, I am gonna just give you a brief description about this project. Okay, mainly this XSEED chain is a layer 1 dedicated blockchain, offers some key advantages. First of all, the customizability, scalability, speed and efficiency, cost control, security, monetization opportunities, community, and governance. Okay, that's the seven key advantages that they have been marking here. Okay, and of course, gaming and blockchain altogether will go to moon. Okay, the idea of gaming and blockchain mixing together is a great idea, and it is a revolutionizing idea. Okay, there is also says meta exceed games unlock new possibilities for monetization, user interaction, and of course overall gaming experience, revolutionizing the way we play and engage with digital worlds. That's some great way of describing this project. So guys, don't forget to let me know if you have any question about this project. Okay, I'm gonna try my best to answer the question related to this project. Okay, you can drop your question in the comment area. There are also problems that have been tracked by them, they have been facing currently. Of course, they are very good at it. They are looking very fair from my perspective, and they have also a very good business model that I have already checked it out. And here it says Meta XSEED Games business model that incorporates community voting and revenue sharing, allows the players to have a direct impact on the development of the games and the benefit financially financially from the success of the games. That's some good model here. And in this model, the community can vote on the games they would like to see developed, and the game studio will use the votes to prioritize their development pipeline. And the revenue generated from this games is then shared with the community, giving players a direct stake in the success of the games they helped shape. And this model creates a strong incentive for players to engage with and support the games, driving the growth and success of the studio. Okay, wow, there's some good and business model that I can see of here. Okay, of course you can check it out about their white paper if you want, that had been already provided in the announcement. Okay, and of course I welcome every new user who have been watching today's live streams. Okay, welcome everyone. There is also a feature in-game advertising, so there is a very good feature of earning a revenue from in-game advertising. You can also check it out and get a good idea of it. Okay, of course you can let me know what do you think about this one in my comment area. I'm gonna check it out all the comments related, I mean the question related to this project. Okay, I hope you got my idea. We make next generation blockchain games. We have learned from successes and failures from the first generation of the plate or earn games in 2021 to 2022 and build upon that. They have some good commitment here. Okay, they have already built a good system upon this one, so I can see. And of course you can check it out all the necessary details you need to check it out before you participate in here. Of course their white paper is all the detailed function, how their token works. They have already explained it here, and how the revenue they're going to generate from the players. And of course you can check it out there. business model. Of course, you can check out in-game advertising. This feature is looking very interesting to me because it says that to make web3 gaming more sustainable, gamify ecosystem using the proven advertising model from web2, it is important to adopt a multi-phased approach that takes into account and various factors that contribute to the ecosystem's sustainability. That's some good amount of information here. You can just check it out by clicking their white paper. Of course, the main fact, the monetization for game developers, additional revenue stream, cost reduction for players, and there is a number two segment, enhanced user engagement. Here it says contextual relevance. The second is immersive integration. The third is expanded audience reach for advertisers, and you can also be targeted marketing, global reach. That's some great amount of information that we can get from this white paper. Okay, there is also data analytics and personalization, user behavior insights, adaptability, cross promotion opportunities, promoting related products or games, dynamic revenue models, rewards based ads, adaptation on changing trends, and of course the flexibility. That's some whole amount of information you will get from this MX's game project white paper. Okay. So if you are new to the channel, don't forget to like, comment, and do follow the live stream. I really appreciate the support you have shown me during the my live session. Okay, and I welcome every new user who are joining today's live session with me. I thank you guys. I really appreciate that you guys have joined. Okay. Now there is also digital assets, NFTs. And what is NFTs? You are all know it is a non-fungible token. You are know why are NFTs important. NFTs are a evolution over the relatively simple concept of normal cryptocurrencies, and NFTs in gaming is a very good concept. Okay, they have some really good use cases. NFT gamification can work in many ways: player ownership, decentralized economics, cross game interoperability, gameplay experience, community building, rare and unique items, NFTs. Wow. And you can check it out all their games pipeline. That 30 games are available that have been already been in this studio of this MXS game. Okay, let me check out the roadmap quickly. Okay, I'm gonna just quickly check out the roadmap and get back to my startup, how you can join the startup. Okay, there is also a roadmap here: 2021 to 23 studios development, test games on Google Play layer on blockchain development, game launch development. There are many things you need to you if you want, you can check it out. The roadmap is very important. Okay, game launcher development, ad inject development, March store development. Wow, that's some good amount of development they have done previous years. 2024 to H1, complete funding rounds, node license, NFT sales. Wow, that's some good amount of roadmap. I hope they can complete all their roadmap goals in the upcoming year. I wish good luck for this project, and I can see there is some huge potential in this project to grow in the future. Okay, they have also marked some important roadmap details here: incentivized testnet community growth, increased games DAO, MAO, MAU, NFT marketplace development, NFT marketplace test. Many of the development that have been already happened, or try they are trying to make it happen, that already been listed here. You can check it out by clicking the roadmap issues. And 2025-26, the game tournaments, PC games, PvP, partner gaming, publishing, AI feature. Wow, that's some great amount of information that you can check it out there by white paper. And of course, the max token supply is 50 billion. Initial market cap at TGE extremely low at 469k dollars, and total raise is 5.2 millions. Diluted market cap is like 35 million. There is some good amount of information of the token. Team tokens locked for 12 months, and then linear months vesting. I have already told you about it in my previous session of the video. Very high utility token create demand. That's the main thing. Okay, they have some good utilities, so these utilities can create the demand for this token, and this token can rise to a new higher price they have been expecting. Okay, there are all the teams and partners that are already been partnered with the MX's game. You can check it out by clicking here. Of course, you can let me know in the comment area if you think that they are a really strong project. Okay, or not. You can let me know in the comment area, guys. Please let me know in the comment area what do you think about this one. specialized web 2 and web 3 plus web 3 game developers and partners. They have some interesting partners, guys. Avalanche custom chain built by Avalanche, smart contract built by let me check it out, the Ferrum network, and an MXS cloud built on Google Cloud. Wow, that's some great amount of information here. Okay, if I just open up this image, then I can get a good idea. And you can also check it out there, all the links that have been necessary for this project. I think I have already briefly described about this project. I hope you got a clear idea of it, and they have some good backing. Okay, they have some good backers here. There is some, they are already partnered with the MH Ventures, Gigtopia, Ethereum Network, okay, Coinvestor, Sky Guardians, Amygdala, Age, Nexus X21, GD10, Labs. Wow, that's some good amount of partnership they have already done. Okay, so this is all about the introduction of this project. I think you got a clear idea of this token, how this token utility works, and what's the use cases of this. Okay, I hope you got all of it. And if you want to check it further details, you can just check it out their white paper. Now let me proceed with the next segment of the today's and this website keeps loading. Okay, I think there is some internet connectivity issues, that's why that had been loading and loading. Now let me quickly proceed with the next segment of the today's video, and this will be the most interesting part. How, what's the startup participation rules, what you need to take in mind when you just join and participate in the startup. Okay, first of all, you need to check it out, the startup participation rules. You need to complete your KYC2 verification, and of course you need to have like $10 amount of asset held by the spot account or your gate account. Okay, and of course the startup participation rules, here it mentioned very clearly, the higher the VIP level, the more startup shares you can claim, and each user can receive up to 8,000 shares. For specific information, you can check it out this link. Okay, startup fake, you can check it out the startup fake to get more idea about it. And of course, there is non-VIP users can join the lucky draw for the startup offering, but they need to have $10 amount of asset held by in their gate account. Okay, for the non-VIP user to eligible for the lucky draw. And the user's VIP level will be checked when the token are distributed. Okay, the VIP level is will be checked when the token are distributed. The actual share per user will be received is calculated according to the VIP level when distribution happens. Okay, announcement, you can check it out the announcement for the subscription ends. The system will count the all eligible order, distribute the project tokens accordingly. Okay, I hope you got it. I hope you got it. Okay. Okay. Tokens for VIP users will be distributed according to their ratio of their valid subscription and amount of total subscription amount, while non-VIP users will have a portion of lucky users randomly selected to evenly distribute the airdrop quota. The subscription results will be announced before listing. That's a very good, interesting section. Okay, and uh, you need to check it out before you participate in here. And of course, if you have VIP levels in the get account, then you will get extra shares based on your VIP level. Okay, so let me check out the rules, the startup rules updates that is need to be checked out before you participate in all the rules that have been introduced by the Gate.io. The startup rules updates easier to claim airdrop. The Gate.io startup is one of the largest token launch platform, allowing users to participate at no cost and explore potential projects in their early stages. Currently, startup has completed major upgrade. This is a very good update for all of you guys who are watching this live stream. Okay, this is a very informative session for all of you guys, enabling users to participate with lower thresholds and receive free airdrops more easily. And details are as follows. You can also check it out by clicking the join the startup button now. Let me just click it here, or you can click this here and you will be redirected to the startup page. Okay, let me just zoom it out. I think I have zoom in much more. Okay, I have zoomed out because of so that I can show it to you guys. And of course, guys, if you are new to my live channel, don't forget to drop your UID in the comment area so that you can get a chance to win a BIP plus one giveaway for your account. And I welcome every new user who are joining today's live stream. Okay, and I really appreciate that you have joined the today's live stream. So the main update of rules for the startup participation is very important here. Main updates in the startup participation rules for BIP users. For airdrop projects, after subscription, sufficient balance is not required anymore before token distribution. There's a new rule upgrade. There's a great update I can think of. Users who upgrade BIP levels by holding assets will have their BIP level verified during token distribution, and the final allocation they will receive will be determined by their BIP level at the time of distribution. So that's a very important piece of information you can get from this link. Okay. Now let me just check it out the all the rules for non-VIP users participating in the startup. All non-VIP users with spot assets no less than $10 can enter the startup page and claim the startup for free. I will show it to you after I have read it out all the rules that is necessary for you to check it out. After non-VIP users participate in subscription, whether they win or not will be announced after the subscription ends. User can check the results in subscription history or the project subscription page. Number three is non-VIP users are not guaranteed to receive the startup airdrop tokens. Part of the lucky non-VIP users will randomly selected for each project and evenly distributed the airdrop allocation. I hope you got this point. If you have any question regarding these rules, you can let me know in the comment area. I'll try my best to answer your question regarding these rules. Okay. And the number four says the total airdrop amount for non-VIP users will vary depending on the project. The number of winners and the airdrop amount are not fixed. Please pay attention to the subscription results. That is a very good thing for you to check it out. And for airdrop projects, sufficient balance is not required anymore. That's a very important update for the non-VIP user. The airdrop tokens will be directly distributed to the spot wallet after subscription ends. That's a very nice update for the non VIP users who are trying to join the startup project. And number six is non VIP users who use a startup voucher to join the subscription will have their voucher benefits prioritized. A startup voucher guarantee 100% corresponding share, but users still need to hold at least of no less than $10 in their account. Okay, hope you got it, so that you can get sufficient information about it. And of course you need to check it out all the notes, necessary notes for it. The number one note is the previous rule where non-vip users are guaranteed to receive 3 shares of startup airdrop has been abolished in this upgrade. After the upgrade, non-vip users with spot assets of no less than $10 can directly participate and receive airdrops if they win. Wow, that's some good update that we get from the rules. I like this upgrade. What do you think of this update, guys? Don't forget to let me know in the comment area. And number two, notice all existing subscription share rules for the VIP users remain unchanged, and they are eligible for to receive the airdrop with a 100% guarantee. The higher the VIP level, the more startup shares can be subscribed. Okay. And number three is non-VIP users participating in the startup subscription will follow the partial winning mechanism with a random selection of users winning airdrops for each project. That's some good amount of update we get from the rules. Okay, the rules have been updated, guys, and these new rules are very interesting. You should check it out. I have already read it out for you guys. If you have any question regarding the new startup rules, you can just let me know in the comment area so that I can answer your question about the new updated rules of the startup. And the new rules will take effect from the 2 August of 25th to 25th UTC time zone. Okay, where any discrepancy arises between the translated versions and the original English version, the English version shall prevail. And of course, the main thing is that Get.io reserves all the rights to the final explanation. I hope you got it, all the necessary rules and updates that have been done by the Get.io system. And thank you. I hope you got the overall general idea of today's startup rule updates. Okay, that's some interesting rule updates for all of you guys who have been watching the today's live session. Okay, and if you have any question regarding the new rules, if you have any question regarding the new rules, please let me know in the comment area so that I can answer your question regarding the updated rules. I think all the updated rules is very good for overall user experience. It will improve overall user experience very much. It is my point of view here. Of course, don't forget to let me know what do you think of this updated rules, and if you have any question regarding these updated rules, you can let me know in the comment area. I hope you got it. So now let me just show it to you. Startup fake. What is the startup? I have already told you about. The startup is the token Gate.io startup is a token launch platform, and where users can discover potential projects and get some free airdrops. Okay, with made the necessary details, and you can check it out all the major rule update. And if you want this rule updates link, you can just comment in my comment area so that I can provide you with the link necessary for this rule updates, of course. Or you can also check it out in the announcement page. Okay, and if you have any question regarding this one, please let me know. I'm gonna wait for your question here. So no problem. In the meantime, waiting, let me just show it to you how you can join and participate in the airdrop. And of course, the shares you get in the from the startup will be vary for BIP levels. Okay, if you have like BIP 1, you will get 20 share. BIP 0 will get lucky draw, and of course, if you are a BIP 5 or 6, you will get 400 and 800 shares as respectively shown in this chart. I hope you got this. Okay, and of course, how many tokens can I receive? The tokens you will receive will be calculated by this system. Okay, token received equal to shares subscribed by tokens per share, and of course, the distribution ratio. That is all. That is the formula. How many tokens you can receive? You can just do your math and get the amount of token you will get when you join this. I hope you got all the idea about it. Okay, and if you have any question, just drop your question below. Okay, below the comment area. I'm gonna check it out all the comments necessary for it. Okay. So guys, there are also many users questioned me that do I need to pay subscription for startup subscription? I mean, do they need to pay any extra trading fee for joining the startup? And the question answer is no, because no funds are required when participating in airdrop subscription. Okay, that's the updated rule for all of you guys. I hope you got it, all the necessary updated rules about the startup. I hope you got it, and if you have any question regarding this, I have already read it out all the rules about it. And of course, you can check it out. All the updated rules are very user friendly, and of course, it's best for all the users who are trying to participate in the startup. Okay, and of course, you can check it out all the details about the startup and the startup fake page. Now let me show it to you how you can participate in the Gate.io startup in by website. Okay, first of all, you just need to go to get.io website. After you went to the website, then you just need to click here, and after that you will be check here the startup option. Just click the startup option here, and you will be redirected to the startup and token launch and airdrop platform. Okay, and as you can see, there are currently 8 project in progress, and I have already subscribed all of the projects that have been available for me, and you can check it out. This is the XSEED project. This is the today's main project that we have been talking about here. Okay, there is also invite and earn more. Okay, you can also check it out. Where is it was? Yes, it was. So for you to join the startup, it's very easy. Just need to go to website and click the startup, and you will be redirected to the startup page. And today's project is MXS Games, and token ticker is XSEED. I hope you got it. And I have already subscribed in this airdrop project. That's why it had been saying that start trading at 19 hour. Uh, 22 minute and 40 seconds left before it start its trading. Okay, so if you haven't joined in this MXS Games startup free offering, then just join in, guys. Join in this fun. Don't miss it out. I hope you got it how you can participate in this startup. And there are many other projects in progress that you can just join in. Okay, let me just show it to you. There is also a project Chroma that had been already been in progress, and I have already joined in this project, and it's also start trading in 19 hours. Okay, I hope you got it how you can participate in the startup. If you have any question regarding the startup participation or joining the startup, you can let me know in the comment area. I will try my best to answer your question. So now for the last segment of the today's video will be the startup referral carnival. Okay, what is this startup referral carnival? The startup referral carnival is all about invite friends to register or participate in the startup for the first time to win more airdrops. That is all about the startup referral carnival. That means if you invite your friends, then you will get startup shares according to your uh, friends trading volume. Okay, there it says, first of all, you need to invite your friends. You just need to click here, invite now, and this will be the link. Okay, this will be the link. You just need to click copy link and share, give it to your friends so that they can register account from that link, and so that you will also get stars according to your friend had been already been registered. Okay, after your friend successfully registered and complete KYC2 verification, and when he joined the startup, then you will get the stars. Okay, and of course there is a very good term here mentioned that stars aren't according to the daily trading volume of the valid invitees within the 13 days 30 days. The more trading volume of your invitee, the more stars you can earn. So that's a very good idea. Okay, if your friend trading volume increase in more than like if I just suppose the minimum amount is like, suppose I just, it's not the definite. If your friend trading more, then you will get more startup stars. And what you can do with the startup stars, you can swap those startup stars after you have obtained that, and swap for this ratio. Every startup stars, 10 stars can be swapped with one startup share. Okay, so the more stars you have, the more shares you will get. So that is the startup referral carnival is all about. And you can also click the swap button and you will be directly redirect to the startup page, and you can just go in the startup initial free offering airdrops like this one, and you can just do you can check it out. There will be a option for swapping your shares. Startup starts to shares. Okay, I hope you got the general idea of it, how you can participate in this, and what is the startup is all about. It is a token launch platform and it is a free offering. Okay, so it will be this will be it for today's live session. If you find today's live session very interesting and very informative, don't forget to let me know in the comment area. Okay, I really appreciate the support that you guys have shown during my live session, and I humbly thank you, every one of you who have joined my today's live stream session informative video MXS game startup free offering. Okay, so don't miss the chance to get the free airdrop from MX's game. Just join in before the time runs out. Okay, there is not very much time left for this MX's games startup offering. Have it's had been already been the timer is already running, and it's like 15 hours left. Okay, for the airdrop to end. Okay, I hope you got all of the necessary information about it. And those of you who have any question, you can of course let me know in the comment. I'm gonna wait some minutes for you guys. If you have any comment about regarding this project, of course, if you have any question about the startup, of course you can let me know in the comment area. I'll try my best to answer your question. And I thank you, every one of you who are joining the today's live stream. Thank you guys for joining this live stream. Today will be it for I'm gonna signing out because I have already provided you all the necessary details about this project, how you can join there, or the all the necessary details you need to participate in this project. And of course the updated rules, the main attraction is the updated rules of the startup. Okay, if you want, you can check it out. Okay, let me just give this link to you guys. Okay, so that you don't miss it out. Okay, if you want, you can check it out. Let me just provide this startup new rules updates in my live chat, so that you can check it out after I have completed this video. Okay, let me just quickly done it. Okay, here, this is the link that you need. I think I couldn't share this link here. If you want this link, you can just go to the announcement page, and you will get the startup updates rules very well. Okay, and if you don't understand any point, okay, if you don't any understand any point, you can just let me know in the comment area after this is ended. Okay, or if you just ask your question now, then it will be very easier for me to answer now. Okay, so don't forget to join in this startup project, and of course check out all the necessary rules. Okay, all the necessary rules I have already been stated and already read it out for you guys. That all the newly introduced and updated rules is very interesting. So don't forget to join in the all the startup projects that have already been happening here, and of course the in progress ones, of course. So I thank you every one of you so joining my live stream for this informative video. I am gonna see you in my another uh, video, another market analysis video in my next live session. Okay, so stay tuned, guys, and thank you everyone for joining today's live session. So that will be it for today. I'm gonna see you in my next video. For now, bye bye.